which I'm sure we've all been exposed to at some point over the past couple of months. Things like skin infections, which are your kind of regular infections. They're not an autoimmune condition, they're just involving the proper immune response, as it were. So microbes can enter our bodies in lots of different ways, and this is why the immune system needs to be constantly working, constantly on guard. So we can inhale them through our nose, through our breathing, in our respiratory tract. We can ingest them via the food that we eat, in which case it's going to come into contact with the saliva and the stomach acid, which are key parts of our innate immune system. Sexual contact, such as with sexually transmitted diseases, we can pick things up that way. Damaged skin, so open wounds, that's a source of infection to the body. The eyes, we have to remember that the eye actually has a hole in the centre of it, so that's one way that microbes can get in there. Or you've got localised eye infections such as conjunctivitis, for instance. And the ears as well, so ear, nose and throat infections. So there's lots of different ways that we can pick infections up and microbes can enter into our body. And I've mentioned here about the mucosa-associated lymphatic tissue. And if I just skip forward to the next slide, we can see a good diagram that has this on. So the location of the immune system is, various parts throughout the body, really. We've got the mouth and the stomach, like I mentioned, with the saliva and the stomach acid, key parts of the innate immune system. We've got the gut, so the gut-associated lymphatic tissue, and the main part of the immune system. It's estimated between kind of 70 to 80% of the immune system is located in the gut, which is mainly to do with the probiotic bacteria, which we're going to be talking about a lot later on. We've got Kupffer cells in the liver. Obviously, circulating immune cells are in the bloodstream and the lymphatic system all the time. And then we've got this mucosa-associated lymphatic tissue, which includes things like the spleen that's on that diagram there, the appendix,